Hi, welcome to 5 Minutes in Power BI with Ebenezer Safwedu. This is brought to you by Eureka Business Intelligence Group. My previous video, I taught on the reasons why you need to learn Power BI. I gave 5 reasons. If you've not done that, check the previous video. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Power BI and start using it. It's important that at least I take you through you downloading and starting from the start, from the scratch. So I'm going to show you how to download Power BI, and then we can start using Power BI. So you can use any browser and then search for Power BI downloads. The Microsoft website would pop up. Then you click, you get this particular web page. And when you come here, you see Microsoft Power BI desktop. There's the Microsoft Power BI mobile, which is for your phones. So to download, what you need to do is just to click here, the download. So this one opens this is the first way to download. You go to the Microsoft store and then you enter your Microsoft details and then you buy it online, like you purchase it online. It's free. The advantage of this is that it updates on its own whenever Microsoft updates the Power BI. It's however not installed physically on your desktop. So that is when you download through the store. So it's actually loading. So when you come here, you just open. I've downloaded already, but if you have not downloaded, it will open up, pop up, and then you can select. It's free. So that is one way of downloading. I have both this and the manual one. The other option is the advanced download option. This, you actually go to the advanced options, and then once you go there, you see that you select the language that you want to download. There is various languages for Power BI. You have to come down here to understand the details that is required. So you see the version. I use a 64-bit machine, so I'm looking for the 64. The date published was 25th February. So this is the February download. So you can go through it. It shows you with Power BI desktop, you can get data, create relationship, create report, save your report. It shows also your system requirement with those 10 upwards, a 32 and a 64. There's also installation instructions. So once you're done with that, you can just click download and download. You get the API for downloading, and then you can install. So once installed and you open your Power BI desktop, this is what you are going to get. This is the screen that you are going to get. So now at least you've done your first part of downloading Power BI, and then we can start. Like I said, there are 3 parts of the Power BI. One is the desktop for actually designing the report. The second is the web service, which is where we access the report after designing. For instance, in an organization, you may have several people in the organization, you want them to view your report. So there's the web service, the Power BI service that you go to view reports. And the third is the mobile app, which helps you actually see your data on the go. So these are the 3 parts of Power BI. But this is the desktop that I've just shown you how to download. In subsequent sessions, we'll now go into the various parts of the Power BI desktop and where to click for what, and you can now start analyzing. Hope to see you next time. It's bye for now.